So here we have a LED fog light kit. This kit is designed to replace the standard fog lights on your vehicle. This is LED powered. It also has a LED daylight running light fitted in it, which can be wired into your DRLs on your vehicle as well. It fits many different vehicles, a lot of Citroens, a lot of Fords, Jaguars, Land Rovers, Renaults. It does literally all different makes and model of vehicle. These are catalogued on our website, so if you're unsure if it fits your vehicle or not, just jump on and have a look, and I'm sure you'll find what you need. So I'll open the box out and I'll try and explain exactly what we have here. So I'll start with the fog lights. What we have here is the main fog light itself is the big LED projector there, and then the V-shaped design is the daylight running light, which can be wired in. So your wires are just there, which I'll explain in a moment. So with this fog light kit, it's not a cheap and nasty kit. You've got a proper cast aluminium machined housing with heat sinks on. We've got a proper glass lens, and also powder coated metal fixing brackets as well. I will try and illuminate these in a minute just to show you how bright they are. The kit also comes with just some cable ties to keep everything neat and tidy, and also a wiring loom, which basically joins two together, and then you can just take two wires to a DRL feed, whether that's an ignition feed, a DRL power feed from the back of your headlight, or side light, depending how old your vehicle is. Some older vehicles, such as some of the older Peugeots and stuff where it fits, didn't have DRLs fitted at that time, so you would need to run it to ignition feed or to a side light feed. And then there's just some for the fog lights. These just plug directly into the back of the fog light wiring loom. So all you do is they just feed you the pins through, depending on which fog light plug type you've got on your vehicle. Just feed the pins through on the back of the fog light through there. So they just literally push like that straight through. You've got a watertight seal there which pushes in, and then that just goes directly into the fog light plug itself. So that's really simple to do. You will need to make sure you get your polarity the right way around, because if you don't, the LED will not illuminate. I'll quickly grab a 12-volt feed. I'll run and knock the light off, and we'll just show you how bright these actually are. So here we have the fog light. These are real bright. I'll just quickly spin it around and pop it against the wall so you can see how bright they are. And then the DRLs. I don't think the camera picks up how bright these actually are. Again, I'll try and spin it around just to show you against this wall. We're not in complete darkness here, but it's just demonstrating that these are really bright.